it. So you'll have the whole recoil sensation
from
traveling
the
through the gun, through your arm to your body.
And from the suit. Okay.
I'm Dan Kelly, the I guess the #1 at the Factory Studios. We're in Las Vegas in a warehouse where our game studio is, directly across the street from the Raider Stadium.
Amazing. Tell me about these, because I've been seeing it all over LinkedIn.
Yeah.
As I'm pointing the video down here, we can both talk. And it's fun. Tell me what we've got in front of us here and why we're doing this.
So this is our prototype version of a Vive-tracked M4A1. It has vibration motors. It has the ability to track its positional space in Unreal Engine, and we have an Arduino at the top which will translate the data.
Yep.
The vibration motors are activated with the safety fire selector switch, so as soon as you turn it on, if you want to go full auto, right? So our goal is to miniaturize all of that technology to fit inside of our version 1 prototype M4A1. So vibration motor and everything will go in the buttstock here. We'll have all the Arduino, Raspberry Pi stuff fitting in here. The magazines will also be tracked.
This whole thing 3D printed?
All of it's 3D printed. Every single bit of this is 3D printed.
Okay.
So the magazine that we have on the prototype that you'll see here has a lead on it, like a copper lead on it. So our goal is to make the magazines do the same thing. So we'll put a copper lead on it. Once it goes in, it says it's loaded, and then in the engine, it will also represent that it's loaded. So when you shoot and you run out of ammo, you have to manually remove the magazine and put it back in.
And for the end user, are you talking headset, Tesla suit? Tell us about that combo.
Right, so the reason why we're doing this is because we already have the Tesla suit working in a law enforcement capacity where when you shoot, you just recoil that triggers in your arm.
That's what I felt when we were together,
Right.
when we were shooting at the last demo, and I was like blown away with the actual arm moving when you shoot the gun.
So now picture doing that and you're holding the gun that also sends a vibration through it. So you'll have the whole recoil sensation traveling through the gun, through your arm to your body.
And from the suit? Okay.
So that way it feels more real.
And then VR headset-wise?
VR headset-wise, so we have everything. We have the Pico Neo i2. We have the Valve Index. We have the HTC Vive Pro 2 as well. We have the Focus 3 from HTC here that we use to test with. So we have the developer kit.
Amazing.
Focus
Just
3.
show us the suits then quickly.
Yeah, hey. So speaking of that, Tesla suits in the house. So we've got the 14 sensor motion tracking suit here. We have a couple of developer kit ones here as well. So we have the ability to do everything that the Tesla suit needs to do to respond in Unreal Engine.
And what am I seeing up there? That looks like a faceware rig
Yeah,
or something
we've
like that.
made our own custom motion capture helmets as well. So this is proprietary to us. Your camera goes here, battery goes in the back, and then you have the ability to switch on the lights in the front to get, I guess this battery's dead, but you have the ability to switch on the lights in the front to get more exposure to your face.
Yeah.
Yep, and this is super comfortable, very lightweight, best motion tracking helmet on the planet.
And then the Tesla suit does all that as well. You get the whole body track stuff.
That's right, the body tracking, and now you can put an iPhone here to do your head tracking, and then you've got the complete solution.
Amazing. Just one more bit about this. Tell us about this.
Yeah.
Because you can put all that together and then be on this as well.
And now you have locomotion. So this is the Virtuix Omni Pro. We're getting an Omni 1 this year. One of our employees here is invested into the company. So this allows you to have full locomotion inside Unreal Engine for the experiences. So using the foot tracking here, you can put them over any shoes that you need. You can run, walk backwards, do all that stuff. In the digital environment with the combination of all the things. So it's very Ready Player One-esque.
Yeah.
The ability to move and feel and interact with the environment and have it respond to you as well.
Amazing. Thanks for giving us a little interview.
Yeah.
It's like super exciting. We're meeting in all different parts of America.
We're hoping we can nail all of it. So
amazing.
Exciting times.
Speak soon.